Uncle Sebe, the lights out at the peak to ask about Imakokoba in the early 2000s. What you say?
Yeah, when I went to Imakokoba in the early 2000s. Yeah, ebekhona ama opportunity njalo ukuthi bekulabo center bekulabo banibani yabona izinto ezifana kodwa in the early 2000 khona lapha ngesikhathi sakhona there was too much crime lapha manje ukuthi uyakhumbula kahle yabona I think mina okwamanje ngibone ngathi kungcono bekungangeneke eMakokoba uCherry ungayikhombisa unobuse town lapha ukuthi uhlala eMakokoba ibingeke kukhona kodwa manje nje awazithe sikhula la eMakokoba bekule thara bekule mgwaqo manje imgwaqo leyisekho iqedwa yikuyini kahle kahle
izulu
but was still complaining ukuthi izulu alini
noma iqedwa imoto
kanti iqedwa yikuyini
mgwaqo la usuchayo indlala
Anja ku level ifika kula road
uzukhalale sibili umgwaqo la
abantu baku level imele bebuze
umgwaqo uchayo indlala uzukhalale la ukwamuke wodwa udama sengisuka la
umgwaqo isekho sikhule sidlala bathi kuyini lo
Skopinga utennis ball evuma utennis ball emgwaqweni era kuphambi
Sekibisile leyani Emmanuel bayiqeda amaphathi nje
ama Welshers phela
abantu abayenza